So let's talk about it. Let's get into it. How to make your first $500 selling a beauty product, whether it's skin, hair, body products, or anything. Now, everyone's going to tell you to get a logo. Everyone's going to tell you to do this launch party, to launch a website, to run ads, to start your skincare brand. And I didn't do any of that. And I still made my first $500. And if you got a product, but no tech, no team, no money, this is the video. This is your blueprint to what we're going to do. Now, let's get it something. This is not theory. This is not just a concept. This ain't something I heard at a webinar, something I learned on YouTube. This is actual tried true methods. Listen, I built a company that did over 15 million in sales in the beauty industry. I did my first 100,000 in under 6 months and went off to finish the year at well over 300,000. And I'm going to show you the tips, the tricks, the ideas of what we did in order to accomplish that. And I didn't have a team. I didn't have nothing. It was me in the lab. Well, listen, watch this. It was me in the office, one bedroom, just me by myself. And it really was. It was me in my living room, one folding table, Netflix, Breaking Bad, or Boondocks, and just me grinding it out. And let me tell you something, $500 is a game changer amount for multiple reasons. One of the biggest reasons why I believe $500 is that game changer amount is because it's more than money, it's proof. It means that people are willing to pay you for something that you created. People are willing to pay you for something that they believe is going to work. And now it's up to you to deliver that. And the crazy part is they're willing to pay you before you even have everything figured out. Before you have figured out all the ins and outs, before you're running ads, before you're doing all of this. And most people never make it this far because they think launch big. If I had a penny for every one of my students who I had to explain that, yo, you don't need to do a launch party. You're not even making money yet. You don't need to do this. You don't need to do that. You need to focus on what you do. You need to focus on your products. You need to focus on bringing something good to the table and not just focus on the looks, on the aesthetics, on what people are going to think, what social media is going to do. Now, let me show you how to hit that $500 fast using nothing but your products and your phone. Now, my simple $500 skincare sales method, no website, no ads, no bullshit, all of that stuff is broken down in 3 actionable steps. Step number 1, we're going to start with a product and one problem. Listen to this. We're going to start with one product and one problem. We're not starting off with 32 products. We're not starting off with a whole Victoria's Secret collection. We're starting off with one product, one problem. And what is the problem? Let's say we chose eczema. Let's say we chose acne. What we're doing is we're looking for a product that's going to solve a problem. It's easier to solve a problem than it is to sell 100 body butters. People don't buy products, they buy relief, they buy results, they buy transformations, they buy that concept or that idea that you're pushing to them. So once you figured out your product, you figured out your problem, and you tested and made that product, we know we have that. Now, we're going to find our first 10 buyers inside our circle. What does that mean? That means we're going to target family members, we're going to target friends, we're going to target coworkers, we're going to target people in our sphere of influence. You see, when I started, I didn't necessarily start, especially my first $500, I didn't necessarily start with strangers. I started with people in my circle. I started with people who I knew struggled with skincare issues. I started with people who were around me, people who I could reach out to, people who I could talk to. So I made a list and I reached out to them personally. I wanted feedback. Listen, I'm going to give you a discount. All I need to do is get a picture of you using the product. All I need is a testimonial. All I need is something for you to show me what I could add to this product to make sure that this product is good. To get the results, to show my customer or my audience base the results that are needed. Now, once we have that, what I want you to do, number 3, we're going to use word of mouth. We're going to use our influence. We're going to go somewhere. I always tell this story, and I don't believe a lot of people believe me. When I started my business and when I started selling, I would go to the nursing homes every payday Friday. I would take body butters, scrubs, my purifying honey black cleanser, they love that, to the nursing homes. Why? Because Friday was payday. You see, my mom was a director of nurses and an RN and an MDS coordinator and all that, and my first jobs were at nursing homes. I think I was 15 as the receptionist, making $10 an hour, answering the phones, 12 hours a day, only on Sunday. So I worked 1 day a week, Sunday, 12 hours, 7 to 7, answering phones. And so what I had learned and what I realized is that nurses, LPNs, CNAs, everybody at the nursing home spends a lot of money. Matter of fact, when they get paid on a Friday, it burns through their pockets. And so what we have to make sure that we do is we reach out to them. What we have to make sure that we do is that we go in there. So I would go in there, I would come with my pretty white teeth, and I would smile at the nurse's station, and I would rub body butters on the hands of one or two. And, you know, within a 10-minute window, I had 5 to 6 nurses lined up offering me their hard-earned money that they just made. Listen, I hate to say this. When we get money, we can't wait to spend it. When we get money, we can't wait. It burns a hole in our pocket. So I'm going to make sure that I have a funnel, a sieve, or something to put that money into. And so when I hit those nursing homes, I would go in there with 10 to 15 body butters. I would sell those at $15 to $20 per jar, and I would sell it out. Now, if you bought 2, I would throw you a discount. Simple and easy. We reach out to our circle. We start hitting the nursing homes where the nurses who have the money are. Everybody want a nurse because they get paid. Now, we're also going to use our DMs as funnels. No ads, no email list, just DMs. My exact message: I made something for your skin. Do you want to try it? Like, sometimes simple things work. Especially if you have like a testimonial or a picture or before and after a video of someone using your products. I send that picture, I send that video, and I'll also send that message. And the little bit of curiosity that it brings works. Now, there is another phase to that, especially the DM part. What we're going to do and how we're going to do it is we're going to start off by going on the person's page. We're going to like 4 to 6 pictures, and we're going to comment a question on one. By commenting a question on one, what we're doing is showing up in their feed. Now, all we have to do from there is offer them the product to buy. They're either going to buy it or not. See, it's a numbers game. It's about how many numbers. And gentlemen, some of you guys are going to remember this back in the day when we had flip phones, we had the chocolate, we had the BlackBerry, we had that first iPhone, all of that stuff, right? We used to go out and try to get as many numbers as we can. As many people, we talk, hit the mall with your cousins. Listen, I'm going to get at least 20 numbers today, right? It's a numbers game. So we have to hit as many as possible. And the more people you slide in, the more people you test this with, the better off you are. Now, what that $500 taught me, what that $500 showed me, I'm getting tore up by mosquitoes out here, but it's okay. We're going to make it through this. What that $500 taught me, it taught me that you don't need to be perfect. You just need to solve a problem and be willing to talk to people. If I can talk to people, if I can explain my products, if I can show them, if I can tell them why and the reason why they need this product, they're going to buy it. And it's going to make me more comfortable with my product. It's going to make me more comfortable explaining my ingredients, seeing what people like, getting feedback on the fragrance, getting feedback on how it's working for them. This is going to help me go to that next level so much faster. All right. So no fancy setup, no branding agency, just product, purpose, and consistency. Product, purpose, and consistency. $500 taught me that this is real and I can do this. $500 taught me that I can make money. And if I could do it, someone with a GED, someone who went to school and got to a technical school and got it, someone who quit their job and gambled everything on himself, who gambled on what he could do, because listen, too many times we put our faith in everybody else, but we don't see what we can do. We don't see the direction that we can go. We don't see what we can do, what we can build, how we can roll. And so by doing this allows us to really hone in on our potential. Now, most people never get here because they're caught in the perpetual trap or idea of something has to be perfect. Let me say this again. Most people never even get to the stage because they believe that their product has to be perfect. They believe that their product has to do all of this. They believe that the audience, Instagram, social media, all of that stuff is who judges them, who's going to pay them, who's going to do all of that stuff. But waiting for the perfect logo or packaging, trying to launch an entire product line, spending before selling, test first, upgrade later. Let me say it again. Test first, upgrade later. Start with 1 to 3 products targeting a specific problem: alopecia, eczema, ingrown hairs. And we're going to have that 1-star product, and then we're going to have our supporting cast. So if I'm targeting acne, I'm having a star product, my cleanser, and then I have a supporting class of a toner and a face mask. If I'm targeting anti-aging, or let's say hyperpigmentation, I might have a hyperpigmentation serum, and I might have a supporting cast of a cleanser to prevent acne or something from scars, or a dark spot erasing soap, right? So it's about having that kit, that bundle, that one main thing that we can push to them. And the reason why I say 1 to 3, if I have 1 product, that's cool. If I have 3 products, that's better. Someone might spend $20 to $40 on 1 product, but in the scope of it, they might spend a whole $70, $80 on 3 if I bundled the kit right. And I'm going to tell them that this kit ensures that they get the results. This kit is designed to make sure that they have everything they need. You see what I did there? Not only are we selling one product, we're selling 3. We're bundling it up as a kit. We're targeting the problem. We're presenting the solution. You don't need a business plan. You need buyers. You don't need a brand book. You need relief. Your first 500 is waiting, and now you know exactly how to get it. The question is, are you willing? The question is, can you step out your comfort zone? The question is, can you set aside all the extra BS and focus on what you have to do? Can you focus on the journey, the goal, the plan? You see, it's bigger than just let me launch, let me sell, let me make sure that I have the strategy in mind to make money. I can perfect as I grow. I can get better at what I do as I go. I can do so much more, but at the end of the day, it really comes down to how you push the brand. It really comes down to what you do, what directions you go, how we do it. So what I want you to go ahead and do is I want you to go ahead and launch that first product. 1 to 3 products. I want you to reach out to everybody in your family, everybody in your circle of influence. And I want you to hit them with the, oh, good 1, 2. I want you to pressure them. Look, you know, Auntie, I'm really working on this business and I'm putting my all into it. I'd love to have your support. I'd love to have some feedback. Even better if you could send me a picture or, you know, let me take a video of you using this product. You know, Mom, I really love this. And I know you want me to go this direction, but I'm building something for my freedom. Honey, baby, listen, I understand that there's all of this stuff going on, but for us to go to that next level, for us to be better, we have to move a little bit different. We have to do things a little bit different. I want you to get out your comfort zone. I want you to test. I want you to see. And I want to make sure that this product is the product that's going to make you money. $500 is a lofty goal when you're starting out, but $500 is one day at a vending event. $500 is one vendor booth on the side of the road. $500 is Smiley swap meet or something. I want you to get out of your comfort zone. I want you to push. I want you to actually act like you missed the meal. I want you to act like if you don't sell this and you don't do what you need to do, you won't be able to eat. And I want you to move accordingly. This is a business. This is our future. This is our life. But if you're not doing the things necessary, if you out here playing games, if you out here dragging your feet, if you're too scared to slide into the DMs, if you're too scared to be your biggest fan and shout about how great your products are from the mountaintop, do you deserve to be in business? Do you deserve to make money? Do you deserve to go to the next level? See, I don't focus on the esoteric, the bullshit. I don't focus on what other people think on social media. What I want to do is make sure that I'm building a long-term strategy. What I want to make sure is that my foundation is set on solid ground, that the product that I bring to market sells. I want you to really hone in on this. I want you to lock in, and I want us to start building your company. I want us to go to that next level. I want to make sure that you have everything that you need, and by having everything that you need, you allow us to build something great. Listen, if you don't know what to do, if you need more help, I want you to click the link below. This is going to take you to my live workshop. We also have a group. We have everything that you need to help you get your business up and running. But if you don't take this serious, and if you don't start making moves, and if you don't do the things you should, if you don't act like we're going to lay it all on the line, if you don't act like if you don't eat or work, you don't eat, listen, we're not going to get nowhere. I look forward to talking to you this Sunday on the next group workshop. Listen, put it all on the table, lay it down, and let's see how far we get.